So in this tutorial, in this video, I want us to look at how to download course materials, your teacher resources, your learner resources. Whether you are a teacher trainee, you are a professional teacher, or whatever you do that you think College Desk Ghana website has the resources you need to download. In this tutorial, I will take you step by step how to download these files from this website, okay? Because a lot of students, a lot of people keep calling and chatting, WhatsApping on how to download these resources. So first of all, get to your browser. So when you get to your browser, just browse College Desk. So when you browse College Desk Ghana, okay, then you enter. So it will take you, so you see the website to pop up first, okay? So you see all this. So now we visit the website. Now when you visit the website, you see this arrow. This is an us, okay? So what you do, you click on this arrow button, and it will minimize it, the ads, to minimize the ads. Now, so this is the home page of the website. We have a lot of resources displayed on the website, okay? So at your home page, you can come to the home page to explore the site. All right, so for the sake of this tutorial, let's quickly go to the back office. Any website that you visit, not only College Desk Ghana, any website that you visit, for you to easily access or get in touch with all the features embedded in the website, you need to go to the back office. This is what we call back office or menu bar. In some websites you see it at the right, but here we have it at the left. So you click it, then it will display all the features of the website. Good. So we have news, we have articles, we have let me quickly display all that. Then we have articles, then we have academics, we have so we have all that. Then teacher resources, okay, you have all that. So now if you want to read about that, or company information, then learner resources. So all these are displayed, okay? So let's see how to get access to the resources. So let's say you are a teacher. So you are a teacher, you come here, teacher resources. You see all the resources displayed for the teachers. Now if you are a student, so let's say you are reading education at Legon, NAST, or Winneba, or you are in a colleges of education in Ghana, you want to access your education materials, you can come to the learner resources here where you see COE, colleges of education course materials. You click it and go. You need a website, you need your past questions. Past questions are here. You click it, you go down. So this is another way. Now when you want to access these subdivisional features, don't come and don't click on the features, click on the arrows. When you click on the features, it will display the subdivisional features, but you need to click the arrow. Then when you click the arrow, it displays the subdivision. So you see the education courses here, you click the arrow again, it displays the level 100 courses, the early grade, then upper grade or primary, then JHS courses. Do you get it? So if you are level 100 watching this now, this is how you access your learning resources. You click it, it will display all the courses you are supposed to run in a level 100 first semester, second semester, including the course outline, the lecture notes, all available, free to be downloaded. But the purpose of this program is to see how we download these resources. So let's quickly go back. So let's come to the learner resources. So let's click colleges of education course materials. Whenever you click on everything and these as displayed, you can check if you like any of these as features. You want to go ahead and read more on them, you can go, or if you don't want, you quickly click the cancellation button here, close. Okay, you can see it. Serious. All right, so let's cancel this. All right, so now we come to this page. Sometimes when there are a lot of people, the site has a high traffic of people, the website suffers from jam. Okay, so what we do is that sometimes you wait for the page to fully load before you go ahead to access whatever you want. Now, so let's say this is the page. That is a bachelor degree in basic education, all programs. So all programs can be accessed here. So you see level 100 induction programs. Now what this means is that all level 100s are known to be freshers, and they are in the program to be induced. So this is an induction program for them. So all the programs run in the level 100 are induction programs. So you see level 100 courses, then the STS handbooks for them. So level 100, you can also access the course materials by following this suit. Okay, all right. So primary induction program, so primary education program, sorry, you see the early grade, the upper grade. So if you are a primary student, reading early grade program or upper grade, you can follow this and access your learning materials. Then JHS, right? JHS general courses, then elective courses. All right, so as for this one, this is your result portal. You are in any of the colleges of education affiliated to Legon, you can check your results here. Then you are in any colleges of education affiliated to UCC, you can. Then as for Winneba, I'm here to integrate that to the website. College Desk Ghana, one thing about that is that we keep updating our website. So when you visit today and there are resources that you wish to get or have access to, and you don't find them there, doesn't mean we will not get them ready for you to download next time, because we keep updating our website. All right, so now what do we do next? So let's quickly go ahead to download any of these resources. So let's click here. So let's say we want to access, let's assume we are doing JHS program, so JHS teacher education program. So we come here, then we quickly click JHS specialisms. Now when you click the button, it displays the subdivision courses. So all that you see here, mathematics, social studies, these are what we call specialisms, but these are general courses, which means the general courses, whether you are reading mathematics, science, social studies, English, or whatever course you are reading, you all of you, the student, will read these courses. These courses are common to you, that's why we call them general courses. Okay, now so we have the specialisms down to agric science. These are education courses. So let's quickly go to let's say science, right? Let's say science specialism. approach we are using here, you can use the same approach as a early grade student, upper grade student, or if you're a teacher, a professional teacher, you want to download lesson notes or whatever material you want to download from the website. You can use the same approach using the menu bar. Then you get to your material that you want to download. So let's say we come to the science specialism, and this level 200 first semester. These are the courses first semester student. Then second semester, the courses you do down to level 400. Okay, so you see that JHS Ghana has everything really down for you. Don't be a lazy student. All that you need to do, come down here, download your learning materials and read. Okay, you don't need to suffer how you get your course outline and lecture notes anymore. So let's say we are in level 200 first semester, right? And we are doing environmental biology and particulate nature of chemistry. So let's say we want to download this resource. So you click it. Sorry, when the sites, when you face instances like this, what you do is that you refresh the sites. Okay, so we are here at the particulate nature of chemistry. So when you come here, you wait for the page to load. Okay, all right, so let the page load. So let it fully load. Okay, so it's downloading, right? So this is the course outline, right? All that you see here, they are ads. Okay, now the course outline. Okay, so now that we are on the page to download the materials. So this is a course material, and this is a course outline. And you know, as a tertiary student, there's no way, it's not professional to learn without a guide, without being guided by your course outline, because the course outline is a blueprint of everything you study within that course. Okay, so the course outline, then you scroll, you see these ads. Whenever these ads displays, okay, you can join us or follow us on WhatsApp by clicking join now. Then you follow us on our WhatsApp channel. But when you have already followed us, or you are already following us, and you need to do away with it, just cancel the cancellation button here. Then you move. All right, so we move. So this is the lecture notes. Okay, then the lecture notes 2, you scroll, is the second lecture notes. Okay, then we have the chemistry textbook. So you see that under this course you have about 3 lecture notes or learning materials for it. So let's look at how do you download these files into your device. Okay, all right, so let's say we want to download this particular nature of chemistry. Now on each of these files you see this symbol, okay, this cubic symbol, square. This symbol signifies a preview. So this symbol is a preview symbol. It's on all the files. So you see, even the lecture note 1, you can see it. You see it on even the course outline. You see the course outline, you can see it on the course outline. So let's say we want to download this. So we first of all preview. So you click on the button to preview the file. So it will take you to this view. All right. So what do you do? You scroll to view site. Now when that is done and you are okay with the file and you want to download the file into your device, you know, this approach, I'm using the mobile approach because it's very simple and easy for those who using laptop or PC to download any file from the website. But those using phone, they usually have issues downloading these files. That's why I'm doing this tutorial using phone approach. Okay, so what do you do? So how do you download this file? This file. Let's assume that you're okay with this file. You want to download it into your device. Okay, so before we download this file, I would also like to use this opportunity to inform those of you watching this tutorial that College Desk Ghana runs several services. One of the services we run is writing thesis for students. Okay, let's say you are completing your degree program, your master's program, your project work, your final year project work, which we call thesis or action research. We write all that perfectly professionally. Okay, so you need our services, you can get in touch. Okay, all right, so let's continue with the download. So with the downloading, you click on this button here. So you click this button, then the file will be downloaded automatically into your device. All right, so you see it's done downloading. So let's quickly check. Let me check my file manager and see if the downloaded file can be found. So in a download file, so you can see this outline, particulate nature of what chemistry. This is a course outline that we just downloaded, and as at the time I recorded this was 14th January, then 2:50 p.m. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this is how we download any form of files, learning resources from College Desk Ghana. So remember to follow us on all our social media handles. We have a lot to give. We just started. We have a lot to offer. So follow us so that we don't miss any resources we intend to bring across. Then also don't forget to share this with your colleagues, student or teacher colleagues. Anybody you think can benefit from this tutorial, share with everyone. And continue to recommend College Desk Ghana to everybody. Stay blessed. Thank you for your time.
College Desk Ghana. Your excellence, our priority.